installation. It was our first man cave out here in Mesa, and we're here with Chris. He's the homeowner, and his wife was gracious enough to present him with this opportunity in the garage. And he found us. How did you find us?
On Google.
On Google.
Yeah, search the Countertops, Epoxy.
So you went down the countertop rabbit hole, found counterintelligence, and saw some of our work online, and called me up and said, hey, can you come out and talk to me about building a sink in my man cave? Came out, we measured it up. He didn't really have anything here before because it's a new installation. It was just cabinets. And at the time, I didn't know he had a farm sink. I just thought we were doing a countertop with a regular sink. And then he pulled out this phenomenal hand-hammered copper farm sink that we did a countertop to match. So how do you feel about it now that you've seen it all installed? I know it was a little bit of a wait. We had,
No, not a way at all. I mean, for what I got, it's exceptional. It's a piece of artwork, and it's one of a kind. You know, you can't. I'm the only one that's gonna have it. It matches the copper. These guys did an outstanding job. They called me every step of the way, letting me know the progress they had, any questions they had, measurements that they just wanted to, measure 4 times, cut once. So yeah, I just can't be happier.
When it's all said and done, this is what it looks like. And Evan was our lead installer on this, and Trey helped him put it all together in the shop. And the two of them poured this thing and did the actual metallic work to get it to this point. And the cool thing about working with Chris is that he gave us the artistic freedom to make him a phenomenal looking countertop. A lot of people say, I want this specifically. He was like, I've seen your work, it's gonna be amazing. So make me something incredible, and I feel like we pulled it off.
Yeah, sometimes if you give the artist the freedom to do what they want or do what they think is going to look best, then it's beautiful. It really is beautiful.
Awesome. Hey, thank you very much, Chris. It was a pleasure working with you.
Likewise. Thank you.
Awesome. Thanks, guys.
Thanks, Chris. Appreciate it.